Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Fiesta radio. Start by parking safely and disconnecting the battery to avoid electrical issues. Remove trim gently with a pry tool and save all clips. Unscrew mounting bolts and slide the factory radio out slowly to access wiring. Label each connector or take photos so reconnection is simple. Prepare the new head unit and test bench wiring before final installation to ensure proper sound and power. After disconnecting the battery, start at one corner of the radio surround and gently pry outward until a clip releases. Move around the bezel methodically so you don't stress plastic tabs. Keep a small tray handy for screws and clips so nothing gets lost. If a clip seems stuck, stop and check for hidden screws to avoid breakage. Once the trim is free, set it aside on a soft surface to prevent damage. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. A book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about saving and spending while you upgrade your car. It's a great companion to practical projects like this. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the old unit out, inspect the factory harness and antenna connector for corrosion or damage. Use a harness adapter to preserve vehicle wiring and maintain steering wheel controls. Connect power, ground, speakers, and antenna, then temporarily reconnect the battery to test functionality. Verify radio powers up, plays through each speaker, and retains settings. Once tested, bolt the radio in place, tuck wires neatly, and reattach trim for a factory look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.